Good morning, friends. Hope you all are doing great and back from a extended weekend. So, a lot of things happening in the market, and I'm sure a lot of us are not sure what to do with the Nifty and the Bank Nifty and the various stocks that we are holding. The specter of lockdown is there in a lot of cities and states in India and even in Europe and USA. The cases are increasing and lockdown is having a lot of impact on the market. But at the same time, governments are increasing their spending, stimulus packages. Joe Biden is talking about new infrastructure spending plan. So that's keeping the markets on the high. So let's see how to go about the market. I guess with so many events happening and so many different type of news coming, what can possibly help us is the technical levels. So let's look at them. So let's today we'll talk about Nifty, Bank Nifty, various levels for Nifty and Bank Nifty, and also what's the status on the global market on the Dow Jones and dollar index, and then we'll also have some stock picks. So let's go to the chart. So here is a quick look at the Nifty. So from the levels point of view, what we are looking at is Nifty has immediate resistance around 14,980 or roughly around 15,000. If this resistance is crossed, then we can probably look at the level of 15,400. Now the market is pretty much highly volatile, and I would say to an extent it's a sell on the rise market. So if we get these levels of 15,000 or 15,400, it will be a good idea to reduce some of your size positions. On the support side, we have support around 14,200. If 14,200 is broken, then there is a lot of downside and the market can come down all the way up to 12,700. So have these levels in mind and position your trades accordingly. How these levels are arrived at? Well, it's a combination of various factors, patterns and technical indicators, etc. These are not simple horizontal lines that have been drawn. Let's look at RSI and MACD on the various time frames. On the daily time frame, as we can see, MACD is kind of turning positive. As I said, various stimulus packages are coming, so there has been some recovery in the market. We had seen some dip in January, and from the January, there has been a slightly upward trend, and MACD on the daily is showing you somewhat bullish sign. On the 4 hours, if we see, it's all mixed. MACD is again positive. Stochastic is indicating that it might go down. And on the RSI, we are looking at a possibility of a double top on the 4 hours. So all said and done, let's focus on these levels. Immediate resistance at 14,979 or roughly around 15,000. Support at 14,200, and then if this breaks, you might see 12,750 levels. Let's look at Bank Nifty. Again, on the similar lines, Bank Nifty currently is around 33,800 and immediate resistance is at 34,500. After that, 35,700, and on the higher side, 37,200. That's the resistance level that we are looking at. So if you are long right now, or if you are holding any positions, maybe 35,700 and 37,200 are the levels to watch out for to unwind your positions. On the downside is pretty high. It can go all the way up to 28,000. I mean, if this current support of 32,700 is broken, 32,700 is the short-term support, and if this is broken, then we can go all the way up to 28,000. Bank Nifty, as we know, is quite volatile and the moves are pretty wild. So let's be prepared with these levels. Let's see what's happening on the global side. A quick look at the Dow Jones. Let's look at it on a weekly time frame. Okay. Now here, if you see on a longer time frame, Dow Jones is forming a ascending wedge. Okay, and it's pretty close to the top of the resistance of this wedge. So maybe we'll see it go slightly higher this week, around 33,700, 33,800 in that range. Currently, it's around 33,400 roughly. But the upside is limited. The point is upside is limited, and in case these levels are not taken out, then there can be a significant correction. So that we have to keep that in mind. On the dollar index side, if we see here, dollar has recovered from January, and on the weekly basis, it's making higher highs. So that's again a bearish sign for the stocks. As we know, the dollar index goes high, stocks tend to go down. Okay, so this is another indicator that is showing us that stocks are coming into the overbought territory, and possibility of corrections is high. That's the reason I am saying that this market is a sell on the rise market as of now, unless and until, let's say, Dow Jones takes out this level and we get a weekly close above 33,700 or so. So the point here is it's not enough to focus just on the Indian indices. When we have to do the analysis, you have to look at what is happening on the dollar side and what is happening on the US stock market, because ultimately it has impact on the Indian stock market also. So let's have some levels in mind. I'll just take you back. Nifty support and resistance levels. You can take a quick look here. And this is something that should play out over the next 2 days or this particular week. Bank Nifty support and resistance levels. So you can trade accordingly with these levels in mind. And do watch out for the breakout for Dow Jones. So some of the stock picks that I have for this week, I'll just quickly share. So I'm looking at picking up stocks, Maruti Suzuki, Bata, and Kotak Mahindra Bank. These are three stocks from three different sectors. Maruti Suzuki obviously is from automobile sector and slightly down right now. Bata is more from the consumption or the FMCG side, and Kotak Mahindra Bank is from the banking side or BFSI side. So I'll create another video sometime today, and I will show you the entry exit, stop loss, and the profit booking levels for these stocks. So do watch out for that. For that, you will need to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, hit the share button. Okay, and once you hit the subscribe button and click on the notification button, you will be able to get updates from my channel immediately. These are my coordinates in case you would like to get in touch with me. You have my contact number, my email ID. Do follow me on Twitter. On Twitter, I keep on giving various updates regarding the stock market and even for other markets like cryptocurrency. This is my YouTube channel. This is my Telegram channel, and you're most welcome to join them. You will surely like the updates over there. One final point I would like to tell. I have an upcoming technical analysis training wherein you can come to know about all the various technical indicators, patterns, etc. that you can use for deriving the entry exit levels for various markets, whether it is stock market, cryptocurrency market, or commodity market. And you can really get a lot of practical knowledge and exposure through this trading. If you are a serious trader or a serious investor, you should go for a proper trading with a proper mentor, and that will fast track your investment trading journey. And one, it will minimize your losses, and secondly, it will help you make profits, more profits, and the profits in a faster manner. So that's what is important. So again, take a note of my coordinates, and happy trading. Have a great week ahead. Thank you. Thanks for joining, and do remember to follow the YouTube channel and hit the subscribe button. Thank you. Goodbye, friends.